Objectives: calculate the sound speed by measuring the time difference when the sound reaches two distance microphones with an oscilloscope or data logger. Procedures: put the two microphones at different distance. Then measure the difference in the arrival time of the clapped sound with an oscilloscope or data logger. Finally, calculate the sound speed from the time difference and the distance. First, check the operation at the distance of 0 meters. There was no difference in the time the two microphones received the sound. Then measure the time difference at the distance of 6 meters. The oscilloscope shows the time difference the sound reached to two microphones. The speed of sound is calculated to be 339 meters per second. Next, let's make this measurement using a data logger. Connect the data logger to the PC and the two microphones. The first measurement is 0 meters. Two microphones receive the sound at the same time. Let's continue to measure by changing the distance between the two microphones. The measurement result at 1 meter is 385 meters per second. It is a measurement result at 2 meters. It is a measurement result at 6 meters. The longer the distance, the smaller the variations in the measurement result. Data logger can make easy to read the time difference. Another advantage is its price is lower than an oscilloscope.